Today in the livestock, cattle was on the rise again. The grain sell-off really lifted futures somewhat. Any concerns that Friday's pullback right at the close, that maybe it was going to signal more future weakness, is pretty much over now. 4 session in a row rally now has pretty much reversed the momentum now to the upside finally. So we have a solid bottom that was really from a week ago. And we knew that the market had been overcooked on the downside. So, all the factors kind of coming into the market, giving it a little bit of a lift. The feeders were higher today, too. The feedlot sell-off also has ended. Boxed beef prices continue to be strong. They've been strong all the way throughout. So it didn't quite bring that cash market along with it that quickly, but we expect that there could be some kind of a bounce. Now, of course, packers aren't necessarily going to jump in for some of the cattle right away, and especially early in the week they normally don't do that, but they don't want to wait too long if this market starts to turn back around and gain a little bit of a head of steam. Certainly with the pullback of the grains, this just helps that market, gives it some relief right now to get some support in the market. Hogs on the other side did slip a little bit. There has some profit taking to get started, and the real question is this a chink in the armor? Have we reached a resistance point? Now, that's something to kind of take a look at. Let's look at fundamentally. Tight supplies are absolutely a reality, so we don't want to forget about that. But it looks like perhaps we found a little bit of resistance. We knew that we might get some kind of correction in the market. It's important to note that today the China hog futures were down 7%. So that put a little bit of a pressure, or perhaps, just giving some of the traders to say, like, let me take some of this profit off the table. The CVOL index has hogs steadily above that 30% level, and it has the live cattle steadily below the 20% level ever since really January 1. I think that that's a great indicator to be watching. That CVOL index is free on the CME Group website, something to be watching. And I think it'll just let you know that although the hog market has just been steadily rising, it isn't, having wild volatility. It's just moving one way. And the strength of the option volatility is very steady. So it looks like that there's still plenty of support there, but at least we're going to get a little bit more of a bounce from the beef side, because it was it got a little bit overcooked on that sell-off.